Now in exercise 1.3, we will do these type of questions. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 17. It's clear? Up to question number 17, we will do. This is clear? So you can see here.
Where your voice is lacking.
Voice. Now it is clear or not? Hello.
So voice is clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Voice is clear. It may be because of the network at your end. Perhaps you may be using mobile data. Now it will be better all of you ask to your parents to take the Wi-Fi connection. क्योंकि अभी लॉकडाउन कब तक चले पता ही नहीं.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now all of you turn off your audio, and whenever I will ask question, then only you will turn. It's clear? Turn off your audio. Now see here question number 12. How will you do these type of questions? You have to insert two irrational numbers. Two rational numbers between 2 and 3. Two irrational numbers in between 2 and 3. It's clear? So see here. First you write these two numbers in the square root form. What will you do? You will write these two numbers in square root form. What can you write 2 in the square root form? क्या लिख सकते हैं 2 square, and this can be written as 3 square. It's clear? 2 square will be square root 4, or 3 square means square root 9. It is clear? Now in between these two, you will write two such numbers whose square root cannot be evaluated. You will write two such numbers whose square root cannot be evaluated. क्या लिखेंगे? कौन से ऐसे नंबर स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर लिखेंगे इनके बीच में जिनका स्क्वायर रूट हम ना फाइंड आउट कर सकते?
Sir, root 5.
You can write root 5. You
Root
can write
5.
square root 6.
Root
You
6.
can write square root 7. So
7.
we can write square root 4. Then two such numbers whose square root cannot be found. Root 5.
Root 5.
6. It's clear? You can write root 7, पर हमको तो 2 ही लिखना था. Then root 9. Then once again you write in the simplest form. So when you will write in simplest form, square root 4 will be equal to how much? 2.
Sir, 2.
It is square
Sir,
root
2.
It is square root 6 and it is 3.
3. 3.
Now, as you know that numbers having square root in the simplest form are irrational. Numbers having square root in the simplest form are irrational. तो ये दोनों नंबर कैसे हो गए? Irrational. Therefore, you write down, therefore, two irrational numbers. Now you turn off your audio. Two irrational numbers between 2 and 3. It will be root 5 and root 6.
6.
5 and
Root 6.
It's clear? Now you can see one more question. Question number 11th. You can write, see the second part. Minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Insert an irrational. Question number 11. You have to insert one irrational number. So see here. Here it is in fraction form. What will you do? First of all, you will equalize the denominator. दोनों के denominator equalize करेंगे. बताओ कैसे करेंगे? How will you do?
By multiplying by 2 and 5.
इधर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें और इधर 5 से. So it will become minus 2 into 2 upon 5 into, and here it is 1 into 5 upon 2 into 5. So it will be minus 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10. It's clear? Now after this, what will be the second step? You told in the previous question. You write it in what form? In the
Root
Simplest.
इस form में लिखेंगे.
Simplest form.
Not in the
Simplest
simplest form. In the square root form. You will write it in the square root form. How will you write it in a square root form? Just now I have written minus 4 upon 10 का whole square. It is 5 upon 10 का whole square. It will be equal to how much? Minus
16 upon 100. 16 upon 100. 16 upon 100.
16 upon 100.
25 upon
100.
Now see here. You tell me one number in between 16 and 25 whose square root cannot be found.
17 upon 100. 18 upon 100. So 17 upon 100.
Yes, 17 upon 100.
19 upon 100.
19.
19 upon 100. 20 upon 100. Any you can write. So I am writing 20 upon 100. हमको तो एक लिखना है तो it is 20 upon
100.
it is 25 upon
100.
Now see here, as you know that its simplest form is what? Minus 2 upon 5. Its simplest form is minus 2 upon 5. You can see here. इसका simplest form क्या था? Minus 2 upon. What is the simplest form of this? 1 upon. And here, this you can write square root 20 upon
100.
the square root
10. 10.
Now square root 20, how can you simplify? You can see it. 2 into 2 into 5.
5.
That is 2 root 5. 2 root 5.
5.
be
2 root 5 upon 10.
2 1 ja 2 5.
5.
Root 5 upon.
5. 5.
So what will be the answer? One irrational number in between these two. Root 5 upon.
Root 5 upon 5.
Don't speak in between. Okay. One irrational number in between this and this. Root 5 upon 5. It's clear. जब बोलने को कहा जाए तभी बोले। एक्चुअल में ये नेट पर है ना यार, इसलिए डिस्टरबेंस होगा। क्लास तो है नहीं। तो have you got this? One irrational number between this and this, root 5 upon 5. अब हम एक और बता रहे हैं। But before that you know this. इसको हम बता रहे हैं। 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. All of you remember this thing. 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121,
121.
144,
144.
13 square
169,
yes, 14 square
196.
196,
16 square 225,
225.
16 square 256, 17 square 289,
289.
18 square 324,
324,
19 square 361, 20 square 400, 21 square 441, 22 square 484,
484,
484, 529, 24 square 576, 25 square 625,
625.
676, 27 square 729. It's clear. 28 square perhaps 824. I am not confirm. You confirm this. It's clear.
so 784,
784. Yes, it is
724.
30 square 900. So you can write 35 square 1225. It's clear. Now all of you see here. Now we can understand this in the opposite order also. What is the square root of 400?
20.
20,
Square root of 529?
23,
23.
23.
23. Square root of 121?
23.
11.
11.
11.
11. What is square root of 4.00?
2.
0.2.
2.00.
2.0.
2 point.
Square root of 5.29?
2.3.
2.0.
2.3.
Square root of 1.21?
1.1.
1.1,
Square root of 7.29?
2.7.
2.7,
Square root
2.7.
of 3.24?
1.8.
1.8,
1.8.
Square root of 3.61?
1.9.
1.99.
9,
समझ गए ना? इस चीज को समझ गए?
yes sir,
Yes, sir.
Have you got this point? Now you see the next question. Now question number 15. I am taking question number 15. तरीका वही है. Question number 15 is 2 root 3 and root 15. In between these two, these are rational or irrational?
Irrational.
Irrational, क्योंकि
Irrational.
स्क्वायर रूट इनके बीच में we have to insert two rational numbers. We have to write two rational numbers. So first you write this thing within square. 2 को स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर लिखे. कितनी बार लिखे? 2 बार. यही तो लिखेंगे.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When you will write 2 inside the square root, you will write 2 times. It is root 15. 3 2 ja 6 2 ja 12.
12.
Root 15. Now you have to insert rational number. So हम 12 और 15 के बीच में ऐसे नंबर्स देखेंगे जिनका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Whose square root can be found? So you can see here. Just
Sir, 14.
Just now you have seen 35 square equals to 12.25. What is the square root of 12.25? It will be
3.5.
3.5.
3.5. इसके तो एक नंबर तो यही हो गया. Root 12, then root 12.25. This is root 50. This is the square root of 3.5. Now see here, you do the square of 3.6. You can see here. 6 6 ja 36. 6 3 ja 18 plus 3 21.
1296.
So you can write 12.96. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now I'm
sir.
simplifying.
Yes, sir.
What is its simplest form? 2 root 3. This is
12.25.
whole square. This is 3.6
3.6 का whole square.
Square.
50.
50.
2 root 3, 3.5, 3.6.
6. 15.
But we will not write in square root or decimal form. We will write in fraction form. So how can you change it in fraction? 35 upon
10.
10.
36 upon 10.
10.
10.
Now you simplify. 5 7 ja 5 2 ja. 5 then 18
18.
upon
5.
to write out therefore 2 rational numbers 7 upon 2 and 18 upon
5.
5.
it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This way you can do the remaining questions of this. Question 16 17 are also of same type. Now today I am going to begin the next exercise. And what is the next exercise? Rationalizing factor. Here, rationalizing factor. Not rationalizing factor, it is on simplification. Exercise 1.4. Have you got? Now see here. Here it is given question number 3. root 2 is given 1.414. Root 2 is given 1.414. And you have to find the value of 3 root 32 minus 2 root 50 plus 4 root 128 minus 20 root 80. So what will you do? Firstly, you will simplify all these surds. हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले इन सर्ट्स को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे और वो भी रफ फेयर में करें, रफ में नहीं करेंगे. That will be the in the fair. So you can see here 32. It is 16. Then it will go how many times? 8. Then 4. Then and then it will go 1. So what will be root 32? It is 2 into 2 into 2. How many times?
5.
5. Now how many pairs have formed? You can see here. एक pair तो ये बन गया ना?
Yes, sir.
Other pair is this.
Yes, sir.
Now from each pair you take 1, 2. इसका pair बना ही नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि ये अकेला पड़ गया. So it will be 2 into 2 into square root 2. That is 4 root 2. It is 4 root. This is clear. Now you find
Yes,
out
sir.
root 50. उसको तो हम डायरेक्टली अपने इतना लंबा करने की जरूरत ही नहीं. हमको मालूम है 50 is what? 25 into 2. And what is the square root of 25? You know. कितना होता है?
5. 5 into 5.
Just write 5 root 2. It is clear. हम ऐसे भी कर सकते. Root 128. It is 64 into 2. 64 का square root.
8.
8.
8.
8 root 2. Root 18. Mental maths भी करना है. Mentally भी कर लेना. ये ऐसा कुछ को नहीं कि सब कुछ इसी तरीके से करना. 9 into 2. What is the square root of 9?
3.
3.
3.
Now
3.
write these values here. So when you will write these values here, it is 3. In place of root 32, 4 root minus 2. In place of root 50, plus 4. In place of this, 8 root 2 minus 20. And in place of root 18, 3 root 2. So it is equal to 12 root 2 minus 10 root 2 plus 32 root 2 minus 60 root 2. अब सब लोग समझिए यहाँ पर इसको सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करें. तुम अपने मन में करेंगे. Mentally you will do. It is clear. No need to write here. You assume that this is x. ये कितना है? X है. Root 2 is x. So it will be equal to what? 12x minus 10x plus 32x minus 60x. कितना हो जाएगा? 12 minus 10.
2x.
2x. 2x plus 32x.
34x.
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 34x minus 60x.
26.
26.
Minus 26.
Minus
Minus 26.
ऐसे में?
Minus
तो
26.
हमने यहाँ पर लिख दिया minus 26 root 2. clear? Now what is the value of root 2 here? 1.414. Now after multiplying you can write that I am not doing multiplication, I am not doing. This is clear? Whether it is clear or not.
Sir, clear.
Yes. Sir, clear.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I have to see question. So here questions are of simple type. Let's see. Question number 2, 1/5 part. It is root 2 plus root 3, root 5 plus root 7. We have to simplify. So as you have done in the multiplication of algebraic polynomials, what will you do? Root 2 will be multiplied with this bracket. It's clear? And then root 3 will be multiplied with this. So how will you write? Root 2 within bracket root 5 plus root 7. Then root 3 within bracket root 5 plus root 7. Now what will be root 2 into root 5? So सब लोग देखें यहाँ पर, ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. Why they will be multiplied? Because both are square root. Both are square. दोनों स्क्वायर रूट है, तो स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर 2 into 5 कर दिया, that is स्क्वायर रूट 10.
10.
It's clear? बट अगर कहीं ऐसा होता रूट 2 into क्यूब रूट 5, क्या मल्टीप्लाई हो पाता? नहीं.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
It
sir.
cannot be multiplied. Why it cannot be multiplied? Because it is a third of order 2 and it is a third of order
Order 3.
3. Therefore, it cannot be multiplied. Multiplication is possible only in the thirds of same order. मतलब स्क्वायर रूट से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, क्यूब रूट से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. पर अगर हम स्क्वायर रूट को क्यूब रूट से मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहे, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. पर यहाँ तो सभी क्या सेम ऑर्डर की है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
see
sir.
here, what will be root 2 into root 5?
Root 10.
Root 10.
10.
Root 10.
Then
Root 14.
to root 7.
Root 14.
Then
Root 15.
Root 15.
Root
Plus
Plus root 15.
Root
Then-
21.
Plus
Root 21.
root 21.
Root 21.
whether any third can be simplified. सुन, किसी भी
No,
third
sir.
को हम फिर से सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते.
No, sir.
Now you can see one more question, fourth part of this. Root 3 minus root 7 whole square. Now what is the formula of a minus b whole square?
A square plus b square minus 2ab.
Minus 2a. A square plus b square minus,
Minus 2ab.
2ab.
what is in place of a?
2ab.
Root
A के
3.
place पर क्या है?
Root 3. Root 3.
Root 3.
What is in place of b?
Root 7.
Root 7.
Root 7.
Root 3 whole square plus root 7 whole square minus 2 into root 3 into root 7. Now when we do the square of any square root number, स्क्वायर रूट इज रिमूव्ड। जब किसी स्क्वायर रूट वाले नंबर का स्क्वायर करते हैं, स्क्वायर रूट इज रिमूव्ड। सो व्हाट विल यू गेट? 3
3 plus 7
plus 7.
minus 2
3
square.
plus 7 minus 2.
Sir,
10
sir,
minus
20.
2 root 10 minus 2 root 14
Sir,
आएगा।
20.
sir, 7 into 3, 21, not 14.
Yes, sir. 21.
Yes.
21.
Correct.
21.
Correct. 21. It is 21. 7 into 3 is 21. It's clear? Yes, good. So now you can do the question number 4 also. All of you wait for a minute. Now turn off the audio. लार्ज क्यों नहीं? Whether it is visible, it's not coming on full screen.
Yes, sir.
फुल स्क्रीन में नहीं आ रहा, कुछ होगा दिक्कत।